Welcome everybody to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have Chris, and she'll explain to us about what judgments are and what she does and how she can help you.
Hello, my name is Chris Oden, and one of the things ways I help people in the community, I'm a judgment enforcer. And what a judgment enforcer does, if you've won a monetary judgment, let's say you sued someone because breach of contract or some other issue, and you won the judgment, a certain amount of money, but the debtor claims they will not pay, they haven't paid, I can work for you in that area. Many times attorneys, once they get the judgment, they're pretty much done. So many times people have to work on their own to try to file the paperwork, bring the judgment debtor to court, and so forth. I take all that off of your hands, and I do the legwork, I do the filing, and I help you get your money. It does take some time. It's not overnight. But again, it takes that pressure off of you that you have to do all the work and take time from your busy day to show up in court and file the papers. So if you're interested, you can give me a call. My number is 323-448-2794. Again, that's 323-448-2794. And just call and leave a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a wonderful day. God bless.
All right. So people have to talk to their lawyer, win the judgment, and then call you after that.
Right. It's after the judgment.
So do you work with a lot of attorneys then, or you just
sometimes
go directly
I work directly with the OJC, which is the original person who won, the original creditor. And if they're working with an attorney, still working with the attorney, I can speak to the attorney and work out terms with the attorney, because I'm sure they want to be paid, of course. And so that can be worked out. And then many times working with the judgment debtor requires, searching where they are, doing a lot of background and so forth. So again, I take that pressure off. And many attorneys don't know how to do that. So that's
and
how
how long you said it takes time generally?
It takes time. The process can take something as short as maybe 6 months or less. Most of the time 6 months, because sometimes it takes things to paperwork to season and so forth. But usually after 6 months, then that's when we can kind of hit the go button and do everything that we need to file. And so it all depends. If I have to find the JD, if I have to find, they're jumping around, you can't find their address, it takes a little longer. But other than that, it all depends on how available the judgment debtor is.
Yeah, and then do you deal with people all over the United States or California?
All over. We work with people. I just don't work alone. I actually have a team. We have over probably 80 years of experience working in judgment enforcement altogether, collectively, and we've worked on $1 million deals. Members of our team have collected $500,000 or more in checks for their OJC. So it all depends. So there's no limit on what it can be. We have people even working. One of our members has a case in overseas and across the country. We have members that are in Pennsylvania. So no matter where it is, we can even have the case moved to California if that's an issue for us to work on it more effectively.
Do you have a website as well, or you just want them to call your phone number?
Just call me, because they can give me a call, and based on the information of the case, how we will proceed with that.
All right. And Chris, what's that number again?
It is 323-448-2794.
All right, great, you guys. If you want to find out more information, how to save time, make more money, go to our ladiesofjusticeleague.com. All right, have a great day. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.